Hi, I'm Bill from Generation 3 Electric. Today we're going to get rid of this ventless dryer box. You can see right here it's absolutely disgusting. It blows out of the dryer air into the house, into this water bin, and it's supposed to catch a lint, but it doesn't actually do a great job. And the reason we're doing it is because it creates lint everywhere, on the walls, in the attic, and that becomes a real big fire trap. So we're going to change this out, cut a hole in the brick wall, and vent this straight outside. Today I'm going to cut a roof attic vent. It's going to go into the attic space right here in the house, and it's going to vent out the side of the building. First, start off marking your space. Today, we're going to do it the good old-fashioned way. Hammer, chisel. Here you can see where the vent's going to go. I started chiseling out the hole. Just a lot more hammering, and we'll be inside. You don't always need power tools to do this kind of stuff. Sometimes a basic chisel and hammer, the way my grandfather taught me, my dad, it still works. Almost through. A little more cleaning up and that'll be perfect. Here we are on the other side of the attic, and that is where the dryer vent is coming through. Take a little more off the top, and then it'll slide right on in. There we go. Give you a little close-up look at this. This here is the bird guard. Keeps birds, insects nesting in here. It snaps off and on right here. Oops, I just broke it. This is the louver part. That's what the air blows up and down. This keeps birds from nesting on here. Put this piece on here. I'm going to mark this for some screws real fast. And then it gets screwed on. Mark these little holes right here. Getting ready to attach this thermal brick with some blue Tapcon screws. Just pre-drill a little hole in there and screw it straight. It gets screwed straight in. Alrighty. Roll those in securely. Louvers keep the rain out. Rain cover, bug cover, bird cover, keeps the birds out. That's a standard vent, 4-inch vent. Hi, it's Bill again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. For more information, go to generation3electric.com.